How to turn off personalized ads on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section allows you to control which apps can access your data, such as location and camera, and manage other safety protections. Inside the Privacy and Security menu, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apple Advertising as shown. This area lets you manage how Apple delivers advertising to you within its apps. On the Apple Advertising page, you will see a toggle switch next to Personalized Ads. Tap on the switch to disable it. This will limit Apple's ability to deliver relevant ads to you but will not reduce the total number of ads you receive. Following these steps, you can easily turn off personalized ads on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.